Hello, my name is Derek Shea.
My name is Robert Darnell Vance.
My name is Najee Reed.
Most impacting program for me was when we had the real talk with real women, because we got to see both sides of women and how they see it, how they look at us, and how we look at them. And it's not all bad things about them. It's some good. Some might turn out bad, but they turn out good later.
Part of the program that was the most impactful to me was the program where they taught us how to conduct ourselves in public places, private places, and it was the most important to me, because I don't want to go out and just say whatever and do whatever and not know how to conduct myself, because it's other people watching.
I liked the project, well, the Manhood Project, because it showed me obstacles, you know, like the way to get around things. First, I was on my way to prison. I was on my way to juvenile center, on my way to the boys' home, always getting horrible grades, never went to class, always like females, everybody like females, you know, I was always in, you know, just doing ignorant things. So one day, I was in school, I played basketball, Highland Park, played varsity, and it was like, you got to go to this program. And at first, when we went to the program, the program was supposed to be mandatory, but everybody said, I ain't going to that. So I said, I'll go, and it improved me, you know. I know how to make good decisions. I have good grades, perfect attendance now. I'm going to the Navy. I went from a 1.2 my 9th grade year to a 3.8 within 2 years wingspan. You know, I didn't have my father. I know my father. His name is Miller Vance. I know him, love him. I still respect him because he's my father. He's the one who gave me birth. But it just, you know, as you see what the shirt says, real men show up. My dad did not show up, so he's not a real man. So what I'm going to do is, for my mom, for my little brother, and for my cousin, my grandma, I'm going to show up every chance I get.
I plan to use my program. You just stay balance your program by not being disrespectful and learn how to calm down sometimes and don't always do everything other people do.
I plan to use how I learned by making sure that everything that I learned is with me wherever I go, so that people would know that I'm not just some dude with no home training like some wild animal in the streets. I plan to use a good reaction if I don't know.
I think this program will be important for other men, because some people grow up with a father. I had my father in my life, but he wasn't always there for me. But now that I have a better relationship with him, he's always there for me, and people still need mentors just to help them to get better.
All black, when I say all black, I say 75%, 80% of most boys, most black boys period, don't have fathers in their homes. And their mothers, and the mothers are breaking their back raising men. I don't see how it's possible for a woman to raise a man, but my mama raised me. She raised a good man, you know what I'm saying? So it would be very effective, you know what I'm saying, because they can help one another. If you was my homeboy and you telling me to stay up, and I do what you say, because you's a man, I'm a kid, I do what you say, I get over, I tell my son to stay up, he tell him, and we all connect as one. We all can help each other. I mean, you know, that's what.
Manhood Project is about being present, not perfect.
Manhood is about being present and not perfect. As you can see, it said real man shows up.